Hello friends, Inda Unique here. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to do a quick room tour for you guys. So we're here in Hyatt Regency Bali, here in Sanurdin Pasar, Selatan Kota, Bali. So this is our room number here in Regency suite room. So come on in. First is the restroom. As you can see, we have a huge restroom with a shower. And then, oops. Let's go to the living room. This is our living room with a TV. Plus the cake. So here is the ref. With in the mini bar, but this one is not complimentary. This one is not. What else? So I go to the another part of the room, which is like there's a table in here, another couch, and our bedroom, our cozy bedroom with a TV. And before I go to the other restroom, let's go to here in our closet. Iron, we have hangers, and our stuff here. So this is the closet. What else? We have the JBL here. And we have a bathtub, and all our toiletries is in here. Bathrobe and the other shower. And the second restroom. And I'll show you, friends, our balcony. So we have two balcony. The other one is in the living room, and the other one is here in our, oh, you cannot see it, in our, what do you call this one, in our bedroom. So it's dark outside already, so this is the balcony in our bedroom, and we can go to the living room area. Okay. It's pretty dark. As you can see, so there's a couch here. Oops. table where you can chill and relax. Another couch. Oops. Okay, so I guess that's the end of my room tour. So if you have questions, just comment down below. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.